I'm the chairman of Surado campus. Actually, as you all know, we are the market leader for aged care in Sri Lanka over the past 8 years. Today, we got up a fabulous opportunity from Australia to deliver aged care level 3 and early child care education among Sri Lankan candidates. This is kind of a unique qualification where the moment you are qualified as a professional aged carer or child carer, you have plenty of opportunities are waiting in the world and also locally. So that today actually this is kind of a golden opportunity. We have been trying to tie up with AIBT Global, which is well recognized in Australia, based in Brisbane and other major cities in Australia. So here today we sign up with AIBT Global. Mr. Bulesh K. Sharma, he is a regional manager, Indian and Indian Ocean, and also on my right hand, Mr. Sandeep Sharma, enrollment manager. So this is kind of a very much solid tie-up that we got today, and this is a good news for our candidates who are seeking job opportunities in Australia and other Europe countries and as well as locally. This is kind of a well recognized, and also the moment you are qualified in aged care level 3, sometime you can apply for the high skill migrations also. This is the only qualification that would definitely help you to get PR and to find a part-time job easily and full-time jobs. So this is first time in Sri Lanka offering aged care level 3 qualification together with AIBT Global. Also they are helping our students to fly to Australia, right? That is the moment that we just sign up with the MOU. So over to Mr. Bulesh, you also can add something.
Yeah, hello, very good afternoon. My name is Bulesh. I represent AIBT Global, which is an international school located with 4 campuses in Australia in 3 different cities. So currently we are a 4,000 students strong school in Australia, and we are the 3rd largest private vocational school there in Australia, and we are quite happy today joining hands with Surado campus. In fact, me and Rachita, we have been into on and off talks since last almost 2 years. So now finally we have got into this final handshake. What we expect here from Surado students, Surado will be delivering AQF qualifications, certificate level 3 and certificate level 4 and diploma kind of qualifications from our Diana School of Community Services. The courses will range, maybe this will be early childhood care and education programs. These will be the aged care programs, and apart from that we are also expecting that in near future, because the alternative medicine is quite an impressive industry in the coming time. So remedial massage is also being taken care of for the Sri Lankan market by Surado campus. So there are different I've been to Sri Lanka 3 or 4 times, and there have been different kinds of education systems which are already in place. I have seen that Sri Lankan students lack opportunities as far as the specialized and the hands-on kind of training is concerned. So that is why Rachita from Surado have been able to provide these students with some impressive opportunities towards creating some of the hands-on qualifications, which are actually skill-based qualification and preparing students for some specific kind of jobs. Now, if a student is having an Australian qualification in hand, so we also invite our students to continue their further education there in Australia. We can do half and half as well, right? Half of the qualification may be delivered at Surado campus and half of the qualification may be delivered at Australia. These qualifications which are going to be delivered at this campus will be fully recognized Australian qualifications delivered by Australian trainers in a blended board where our trainers will fly in from Australia to Surado campus to deliver the qualification to the students. And what I feel that we will be able to make these students stand, with the their Australian counterparts, so that they are able to, deliver the world-class service. And if we talk about aged care and early childhood care, this particular society in Sri Lanka and maybe in entire South Asia, this is an aging society. They actually need care, and there are no professionals available there. So the only thing is that these are, nowadays what happens that the people have got, say, one or two children, all these children are working, and there is nobody to take care of the elders. So that is why this profession is quite a picking kind of profession, and what I feel that this profession has got an immense potential in future. So I hope that our relationship with Surado campus, this will be quite a symbiotic and long-term relationship, and we find a lot of synergies together. And I invite all the students to at least visit Surado campus to get more information about the program, and maybe they can even ask for the program outcome and the program outline as well from the staff present here. And I thank you very much to Rachita to providing us this opportunity to deliver our community services programs here. Thank you very much.
Campus, number 179F, High Level 1 Pandipidia, www.surado.lk.